Hi, welcome back to another video where this time I'm gonna try out another new palette because I'm excited about it. This new Carli Bybel Anastasia Beverly Hills collab palette. Anastasia Beverly Hills Carli Bybel collab palette. As well as this, so let's just get straight into it. I have some new things today. I have the new Anastasia Beverly Hills and Carli Bybel collab and their new nude lip set. They came out last week, this week sometime, and I just really needed to buy them. These nudes look like everything I've ever wanted in a nude. They're a lot lighter. I have a very fair skin tone, hoping that one of these is gonna be my new favorite. And I'm really excited about this new palette because it just has a bunch of shades that I would wear all the time. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. Whoops, it comes with a brush. I'm gonna quickly try and swatch these on my arm so you can see all of the shades. I don't think I'm gonna put all the shades on my eyes today. The first shade we've got is called Bolly. I don't know how to swatch. It's a light pinky shimmery shade followed by Bybel. Then we have Mandala. I'm running out of fingers to swatch. I'm so bad at this. Then we have Libra, Jode, OA. I need a tissue. Okay, then we have what I think is Bowie. Pretty sure it's not Boy. We are only halfway there. We have Bear on the second line. It blends into my skin. You can't really see it. Next one we have is Moo, and I think that one is so pretty. Then we have Chai, Cindy, shade Steph. I really want it to be Steve though. If I were to ever make my own makeup products, I'd definitely name it Steve. This next one is Aura. The last shade is My Angels. Now that I have eyeshadow all over my arm, I'm gonna move on. This is the palette. It looks like it's got jewels on it. It doesn't. It's an illusion, but it's pretty. My laptop is freaking out right now. It's hissing at me. I swear this laptop's possessed and it's definitely a fire hazard. All right, I'm just gonna put that somewhere. Let's look at the lip stuff a bit later. I want to start doing something. How's everyone going? I've wasted enough time, so I'm now just gonna start general conversation. I'm just gonna put makeup on my face first. Most Anastasia palettes do have a lot of fallout, so I probably should do my eyes first, but I just don't want to. So I'm gonna go in with some primer. We're gonna use the Fenty Pro Filt'r Hydrating Primer. So far, I really like this one. I'm not sure what it does, but I think it does something good for me. Now I'm going to make sure that that heater is off because it is so hot in here. I get cold so easily. Kind of just make the house really stuffy when I turn the heater on out there. So I decided to just turn it on in my room. That was a big mistake because now I feel like my face is gonna explode. I'm gonna mix two foundations today. The Per 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation with Infallable 24-Hour Wear from L'Oreal. 445 and this LG3. I don't know if this is gonna be the right shade. You won't believe it, but I am not using Tarte Shape Tape. I am gonna use this tiny little NARS concealer. I think it's in shade Light 1. This concealer looks just kind of glowy. I like it. I'm sure I'm gonna get this swatching on my white shirt, and I'm so proud of the work I did. I'm just not ready to wash it off yet. Bit of lino lips. Sometimes I forget to moisturize my lips and I leave the foundation on there and it's fine. Some people do it. I don't really like doing it because then my lips get kind of crusty. I'm going to do some nose contour. I'm gonna use my Fenty Matchstick in Amber and I'm gonna stick that on my nose. We're gonna use the Hourglass Translucent Setting Powder. Now for some bronzer. Thought I'd crack this one back out. Medium to deep Jouer bronzer. We're gonna start with the lighter shade. Now I'm gonna take a smaller brush and go in with the darker shade. This one. Now I'm gonna highlight the face. I think I'm gonna highlight my face before I do the blush. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty Hustler Baby highlight. I'm gonna use my NYX Ombre blush. I'm gonna use this one. I shouldn't have put the heater on. That's a big mistake. I'm gonna quickly do my brows. Let's finally go into this palette. All right, I'm gonna start off with Chai. I'm gonna put that in the crease. Let's just start there. Ooh, I forgot how powdery they are. They are so powdery, but they are so smooth to blend. Okay, let's take something else. Let's go with Cindy. I'm also then gonna take Cindy underneath the eye. It is a really nice peachy color. I'm not sure if it turns out peach on the camera. Do you think this looks peach? I'm gonna go into Mauve. Very light gold color and it's so pretty. I'm gonna go in with Stix. You're probably gonna need to be picking up the fallout on the way. Because I'm really just trying to use as many shades as I possibly can in this palette, I want to go in with Aura. We're just going to stick that between the gold color and Steve. I think we have ourselves a very pretty eye look. I'm going to try and take this shade up here, Bolly, and put that on the inner corner. I'm gonna quickly do some liner and lashes to finish off the eyes. I'm gonna do that and then come back. We get to move on to the lips now. Woo! I love lipsticks. Not sure why, I just love them. I don't know how to do this. This first one's called Sand. I don't think it looks like sand. The next shade we have is Peachy. The peach tones were so good for summer. Summer's over. Summer was here for 2 weeks and left. It's a real shame because I do quite like summer. Next shade is On Mute and the next one is Beaming. This is Shimmery. I like shine. Not sure how much I love metallics on my lips, but this could be great. This last one is a lip gloss, summer vibes. I don't even know if you can see any of these. I'm tossing up between the first one, Sand, and just going straight in with the metallic shiny one. Maybe I'll start with Sand. We're going in with Sand. Looks like I kind of just have no lips. Not exactly what I wanted to go for. I do really like it though. Let's try and put the lip gloss over the top actually and see what that looks like. Why does that taste like a strawberry milkshake? This is totally worth it for that. It's a nice gloss and isn't sticky. But again, it's just bringing out the fact that this is not the color that I was wanting to go for initially. And I figured because I'm here, why not just try the other ones on for you? Peachy. It's actually peach. I do really like this peach. Now that my lips feel pretty destroyed from continuously putting on lipsticks, let's just keep going. This is On Mute and it's actually a really nice darker nude color. Definitely works. This is the Beaming. All right, great. This is everything I wanted. And you know what? Even if it's not coming off. Metallic lips are definitely not my favorite. It's kind of a look that we're gonna roll with. This is it. Let me actually quickly do some setting spray. This is it. I am really enjoying it. Enjoying it a lot. In terms of the palette, I actually really like it and I'm excited to continue to try out all the different shades in here. Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadows are probably my number 2. The only downside I find is they just have so much fallout. Might not be able to be helped with how smooth and creamy the texture of the shadow is. These are some beautiful shades, great combo. If you like this kind of stuff, I think it would be worthwhile getting. However, it is on the pricier end. It's at $45 US. In terms of the lip colors, I actually really like all of them. I think I'll find a way to use them all pretty regularly. These I don't hate, I quite like them. This retails for $40 US. I'm really impressed with all the stuff today. Maybe I'll see if Jez wants to go out to dinner or something. I don't even know if I want to go out to dinner. Maybe I'll just tell him to look at me a lot and enjoy this to really make the most of it. On that note, I'm just gonna wrap this up. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, give me a like. Follow me on Instagram at Amy_Leesha. You guys are great. Thanks for watching. I'm gonna go. Bye.